Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing you quick and easy pizza that requires no pizza sauce. Let's get started. For this we will need 1.5 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix it, cover it and leave it for 5 to 7 minutes. Meanwhile we will prepare the dough. We will need 4 cup of all-purpose flour. Right now we will use 3.5 cup. Add 2 teaspoons salt and mix it. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix the oil and start adding the water while making the flour into a dough. Add the remaining half cup of all-purpose flour. Spread 2 tablespoons of oil with your hand. Cover it and leave it for 40 minutes. If you have time, you can leave it for 2 to 3 hours. Now we will prepare the topping. Cut bell pepper into slices. Cut chicken into small pieces. Heat up oil and add chicken. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 tablespoon Tandoori Masala and half cup of water. After mixing, cover it and leave it until the water dries up. Since we don't have pizza sauce, we will use half cup ketchup, 1/4 cup chili garlic sauce, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper powder. Chicken's ready. Now we will start assembling the pizza. Mix the dough one more time. It should be enough to make 2 8-inch pizzas. Spread some flour. Knead the dough for a minute. It will make it softer. Leave the dough for another minute. Spread some oil onto the pan so that the pizza does not stick. Now we will start putting the topping. Put 2 tablespoons of the prepared sauce and spread it evenly. Now start putting the rest of the toppings. While preparing topping, preheat the oven at 375 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes and then place the pizza in it for 20 to 30 minutes. The pizza is ready. Give this recipe a try and comment below. We want to hear from you, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to receive our videos that we upload every other day. Thank you.